been a bit since I've recorded, and I'm just getting caught up on work. As you guys know, I always get tied up and I'm busy. And as most of you probably have seen, I just got done tuning Bobby's car for Devin, and we were pretty tied up with that for just a couple days. So that was part of it. And then I had a couple other things to do, like a simple head gasket on a Forester over there, and we got plenty of other ones to work on, so don't you worry. Right now we got Billy's car, it's back here, and I'm just going to do a data log for Ambot so he can finish up the tune on this thing. It is now on E85. On pump gas, this thing made 400, and I can't remember the torque, but I know it made 400 or just under it on pump gas. And sorry, I'm getting in the car now. It made 445 and 400 foot-pounds on E85 on the first pull. So we're gonna go ahead, do another data log for him, clean up the rest of the tune and turn it up more. And we are gonna be going over to Josh McGee's house because we gotta get ready for a race this weekend, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. So I'm getting back into it, and let's go. Now we are over at good old Josh McGee's, and he just got his car back from Ranchbuilt because he went all out with safety. I'm trying to grab everything out of here and it's not working. He went all out with safety, and he after seeing Travis having his issues in Texas, got a bit nervous, so he bought a cage for his car. It was a prefab cage. You'll have to tell me what brand it was. Ranchbuilt went ahead and modified it because it didn't fit quite to their liking, and we all know how picky they are. So here she is, fresh back from Ranchbuilt. He's in there cooking away. Let's check the old girl out. Boy, she's looking more like a race car, Josh. He's got his Kirky in here now. Just did that new firewall. That thing looks awesome. Cage looks awesome, guys. Wow. Let's go give him some shit. Oh, what's up, Girl Scout?
I have the key.
The key. Look at that. What key do you got? Let's just give me that key. Ooh, yeah, that's what I need right there. Oh,
Motec. No,
your rear firewall came out good.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Dude, it looks really good. And
pretty happy with it.
what cage brand was it again? I know, I couldn't remember.
I can't remember.
Come on, old man.
I can't remember. I forgot. I'll have to look it up on my phone. I forgot it.
It looks good.
Holy spaceship.
I just thought of something. How are we going to tune it together?
Yeah, when you put a passenger seat in it.
Yeah. Will a stock seat fit in there still?
Unless you want to sit on the floor.
I think a stock seat will still fit.
Yeah, it should.
Alright, well, good. What do you mean me? You were going to sit on the floor.
What?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Oh, hell yeah. You're going to be the one sitting on the floor.
I'm tuning it, man.
Alright, here you go, tuna.
I got a can of tuna in there for you.
Can of tuna.
Oh, it looks good. I'm pretty happy with it.
Dude, it looks really good.
Alright.
Everything that Ranchbuilt does looks good. Look at that. Oh, you got a window net too.
One
Fancy. Same one I got.
yeah.
Yeah. Ready to go fast this weekend or what?
Yeah.
How much gas we got in this thing? We got enough to figure out this idle and get this map on?
Should be pretty full still.
You see, guy, I brought your impact gun the first time. And that's when I left in a Forester. Then I came back and I took took it out of the Forester to put in good old Billy's car over there because I forgot I had to do a data log in it, and I left it on the curb.
Oh, what?
So the wife had to go outside and grab it.
All right.
How much is in there?
Half a tank.
All right, well, it should be enough to dial this in or drive it to my place and fill it up again.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up. I got a base map for this thing. So this thing being ID2600s. Obviously there's not too much information out there. I did thankfully get what I needed for the injector sizing. So in scaling, I'm gonna load this map up, see how good my base map is, and make our adjustments from there. I did forget my wideband. I mean, you have a wideband, but mine just plugs in, so it makes it a little bit easier to tune.
True.
But goal for tonight, hopefully get this thing to be running good on the base map, idle good, drivability good, maybe get our timing map built, and then we can party from there.
Let's do it.
So let's get this thing flashed on and see how it does. So I'm just over here. I just got my base map loaded onto the car now. I'm here at the fuel pump. Going through all the normal steps you do with flashing a map on your access port. So I just got my first base map on this thing, and we'll see if I have caught everything. So let me grab our laptop here. I need to put that into the access port down here. Let me switch sides on the computer, see if I can plug this in, and oh yeah, this cord's long enough. Sorry guys. No wonder why that thing doesn't even really fit up there. So you guys are obviously gonna hear the freaking fuel pump because it's loud, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect here to our ECU. We're gonna make sure that our map sensor's scaled properly, which I'm pretty certain I already did. I created this map late at night, so if I missed something I might have. Let's go ahead and bring our dashboard up here. Well, that's pretty limited. Let me go ahead and update that real quick. There we go, I got a couple more gauges on there. Everything looks to be reading the way it should. So, should be able to fire this thing up and see what happens. Right on. And this thing is bone cold, guys, so don't judge too much on the cold start. I haven't, obviously this is a base map, so I haven't messed with it at all, but it fires right up. So let me try to dial this in. You're not gonna hear me. But she's bone cold, guys. I mean, we're 97 degrees. I'm trying to get this thing heated up, and then I can make some adjustments from there. But not too bad. I mean, a base map, car fired right up, guys. I'm sure there's going to be some adjustments I need to make. This is my first time working with a set of ID2600s as well, so making sure that my scaling and everything is right and going over this. So don't want to bore you guys too much, but let's see if I can get some heat in this thing. His wideband, like I said, is being pretty questionable. Maybe it has a bad sensor, maybe it is actually reading. I'm just gonna let this thing get some heat into it because this does have a E85 in it. Obviously you guys know E85 is a little bit harder when it's colder out, but we should be able to get her dialed in.
life up in the fast lane. Hey, living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living